Hello, it's Brian Rezny, president of Rezny Wealth Management. It's question and answer day. And you know, when I did my radio show last Sunday, a lot of questions from really just generally speaking, a lot of either nervous investors about positions in their portfolio or investors who really had horrifically either bad returns or bad advice, but fail to seek proper advice and make changes to the portfolio. You know, it's interesting. I've been managing money over 30 years. One of the things that happens to many of you investors out there is, unfortunately, you procrastinate. You wait, you hope, you wonder, I'm going to wait to see what happens. And the longer you wait on something that should have been fixed years ago, the more it costs you financially. And I see this all the time. I see this with investors who were sold either a non-traded REITs from a brokerage firm, and again, they're not making adjustments to that portfolio when necessary. I see people that were sold a bunch of garbage annuities from one of these annuity charlatans, and again, they don't make adjustments to the portfolio. I hear from people all the time on my TV radio show, they don't ever hear from their financial advisor, maybe once a year. Again, one of the things that happens to every investor is you tend to get nervous or you freeze, procrastinate for making changes because you're not getting the correct information on a timely manner. I think communication and understanding really how your current portfolio and the investments in that portfolio align with the current economic backdrop going forward is vitally important. One of the things I teach on my TV and radio shows every week is make change to your portfolio, meaning upgrade your portfolio when necessary. That doesn't mean you're making changes all the time. It means you're making those important changes when necessary. Not just blindly buying a bunch of one stock because it's a big name company and riding it all the way down 80 or 90%. Unfortunately, a lot of investors do that. Having a real strategy and doing that daily research and having a buy and sell discipline in that portfolio, instead of being frozen or procrastinating with portfolio changes, is vitally important. Again, there's a study out there from Delbar that has gone on for over 30 years. It talks about investment returns and investor returns. Investors, you often make less than half what the bond and stock market make over a period of time. Why is that? Because of procrastination, freezing, and not making those proper changes to a portfolio when necessary. If you're finding that maybe you're not able to manage your own money, maybe you're finding the firm you're currently utilizing is not doing the right job, and you suffer from poor investment results, poor client communication, or you just don't want to do it yourself anymore, call Rezny Wealth Management. We do manage larger portfolios. It's time you stepped up, made the correct choice, and move ahead in a positive manner. Call Rezny Wealth Management for a consultation. Let's talk about our money management services, and let's get you back on track. Have a safe and profitable day.